Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to walk you through designing a login page wireframe using MockFlow's Wireframe Pro editor. To begin, let's start building. First, we create the foundation by adding a frame using the rectangle tool. This will serve as the login page's main structure, ensuring everything stays neat, well-aligned, and properly spaced. Next, we'll place an image placeholder for the login page cover image and a text heading to clearly define the purpose of the page. These elements help users immediately recognize where they are and what they need to do. To improve clarity, we'll include a short description under the heading. This will provide a quick guide on how to log in and ensure the experience is smooth. Now, it's time to add the essential input fields, starting with the email field. To keep the layout consistent, we'll duplicate the email field and rename it password, ensuring it includes the hidden input feature for security. To make logging in more user-friendly, we'll add a Remember Me checkbox. This gives users the option to save their credentials for future logins. It's a small feature, but it enhances convenience significantly. Users may forget their passwords, so we'll place a Forgot Password link right below the password field. This provides a quick and intuitive way to recover credentials without frustration. Now for the most important part, the login button. This is the primary call to action, so it needs to stand out clearly. A well-designed button guides users seamlessly to their next step. To keep the layout organized, we'll add a divider to separate the standard login fields from social login options. This helps reduce clutter and makes everything easier to navigate. Next, we add buttons for Sign In with Google and Sign In with Apple. Many users prefer these options because they're faster and more convenient. Then, using the MockFlow Customer Logo UI Kit, we'll add the Google logo to the Google Sign In button directly, no need to get it from the web. Similarly, we'll add the Apple logo to the Apple Sign In button. Next, we are going to add an image placeholder for a logo, which can be replaced with either an uploaded image, an asset from a UI kit, or an icon. Finally, we'll give the image placeholder a realistic touch. We'll insert a background image that complements the design, making the wireframe more visually appealing while maintaining its functional purpose. This helps give the wireframe a polished look. And that's it. You now have a sleek, user-friendly login page wireframe, all done in MockFlow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design tutorials. See you in the next one.